What's up, goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel and to my kitchen, how to cook. And today we are making in the kitchen vegetable rice in the kitchen, fast, easy and simple. Make sure to say subscribe, goodie, if you have not, and turn on the post notifications so you won't miss any other upload. And for all I'm returning goodie, una don't know say me love una ready for cook. Come on, let's cook. Alright, goodies, on the ready for cook? Let's cook. Quick recipe, alright? Alright, so first of all, you want to have some cooked white rice here. Now, use the rice of your choice. It's perfectly fine. You definitely need some bell pepper. I have some bell pepper here that I always cut up and put them in the freezer for easy access. I have green here, yellow, and red. I'm going to go in with my cabbage. All right, so you need some fresh cabbage for this particular one. I have some mixed vegetables here. This is the frozen one in the bag. You could use a fresh one, you could use a canned one, but this is the frozen one from the supermarket. I'm going to add 1 onion to it. Any regular onion you have, use it. You want to add some green seasoning and just a tad bit of brown sugar. I'm using organic brown sugar here. Now I'm going to need some Worcestershire sauce later on. You have some vegetable seasoning, parsley flakes, garlic, onion and garlic powder. You also want to add some black pepper to it as well, a little salt for flavor. All right, you don't have to add the salt, but salt for flavor if you so please. Now I have these 3 black pepper, onion and garlic powder that I purchased in Roses, you guys. These are $3.99. Absolutely affordable, all right? And the garlic too is also from Roses. That was like $1.29 in Roses. And this is all the ingredients that we are going to use for this recipe. Let's cook. All right, so first and foremost, the first thing that you are going to be doing here is adding the cabbage. You're going to start off with the cabbage. All right, one thing I wanted to note here is that you could use any cabbage of your choice, okay? Any cabbage. I have another recipe similar to this one that I did use Raymond lettuce for that one, okay? And it's very, very easy to make, but you have with the Raymond lettuce, you have to be very careful how long you're cooking it because it will go flat. With cabbage, if you're a beginner, this one would be the best route to go because you definitely will not overcook the cabbage, okay? All right, but anywho, just use whatever cabbage that you have. I did go ahead and kind of cut it up just a tad bit, but not too tiny. But cut it also however you so please in your kitchen. Your size is your choice, okay? Moving along, we're going to go in with the onion. I have a large onion here. I'm just going to go ahead and kind of dice it up a little bit. And again, like I always say, use your onion of choice. It doesn't matter what kind of an onion, because sometimes you guys ask me, Juliana, what kind of onion I use? You could use any kind of an onion in your kitchen, okay? Purple, pink, green, orange, yellow, autumn, whatever. Just go ahead and use whatever kind of onion that you like in your kitchen. Fine, will do. All right, so again, this is my bell pepper. I always do this, you guys. Just cut up my bell pepper and put it in a Ziploc bag and freeze it because it does preserve it. That's number one, and it makes it easy for me to go ahead and cook my recipes. All right, and depending on the recipe that you're cooking, you could go ahead and cut it up a little bit smaller if you like. Now again, here is our mixed vegetable. This is frozen organic mixed vegetables. I did purchase this one in Food Depot. I think I did. I'm adding some green seasoning here, homemade, or you could purchase in the store, and about 2 tablespoons of organic brown sugar, and I'm adding some chopped garlic here. Use fresh if you like. Some people don't like the buckle one, right? But let's go ahead and add some garlic because garlic make everything taste better. Salt for flavor, black pepper to give it a jazz, all right, a combination. Then you go in with your onion and garlic powder, and again, you guys, These are from Roses. I don't know if you ever been to Roses department store, but I talk about that store a lot on my channel, Life is Juliana. If you guys are not subscribed to that channel, go over and subscribe, okay? All right, and so we're adding our vegetable season here from Grace. Very, very delicious for vegetable. As far as the Worcestershire sauces, we're going to put that aside and leave it for later on. So is the rice. Go in and add some oil. I'm using sesame seed oil here. Use any kind of oil. It doesn't have to be that one, you guys. And then go in and add some butter. Any butter of your choice will do. I did add about a tablespoon of butter to mine. And that was it. Cover it up. Put it on the stove. And this takes about, I'd say maybe 6 minutes, because we don't want this vegetable to be overcooked. 6 minutes later, we come back. That's what we have here. It is pretty much done at this point, because for me, I do not like when my cabbage is overcooked. I don't like when my cabbage softy. All right. Do you know the mixed vegetable is already cooked? But as far as the cabbage is concerned, I don't like it when it's softy, you guys. Tell me if you guys like crisp vegetables or very soft, long cooked, drawn out vegetables. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Now right here, you want to go in and add your cooked rice. This is just white rice, but I really prefer to use parboiled rice, you guys. I didn't have any at hand. Well, just say this. I didn't have any parboiled rice that was already cooked. I did have this rice that was left over from yesterday's. This is the 5-minute rice, okay? And I just went ahead and just used this one. Went in and added the Worcestershire sauce to it. I'll say maybe about 2 tablespoons of that, baby. And that was it, okay? Make sure that my rice was incorporated really well with the vegetables here. Oh my goodness, y'all, this vegetable rice recipe, whenever I make this, it is always a hit. I made this recipe at my event. I had an event in my backyard this past September. If you guys had followed me on my channel, Life is Juliana, you would have known, goody, okay? But I made this. This was a part of my entree, and let me tell you something. People was coming back for seconds. People was coming back for seconds and thirds, y'all. People was eating this rice by itself without anything. Trust me what I tell ya. That recipe though, I did use the Raymond lettuce on that one. Instead of cabbage, I used Raymond lettuce on that one, and everybody loved it. OMG, y'all. You don't miss fried rice when you do this one, okay? This one is absolutely good. Start making your rice like this, y'all, because trust me, everybody's going to love your kitchen when you do your rice like this, okay? Just give it a buzz. All right, so I went ahead and just put it on the plate. Now, this chicken, this recipe, I made it on the channel a while back, this rotisserie chicken. I'm going to put the link for this particular chicken recipe in the description. I didn't go ahead and do all of that other extra stuff. I just put it in the oven and baked it and made some gravy for it. And poured it on there. The gravy that you see right here was made in the microwave, you guys. I'm going to put the ingredients also in the description, so you go ahead and follow it. But it is microwavable gravy, nothing on the stovetop. All I did was season my chicken, put it in the oven, baked it up, and made a separate gravy for this and coated it. That was it. That's all that I did. The chicken was nice and tender. If you guys did not see that recipe, I did make it a while on the channel, but like I said, I'm going to link it for you guys. And this is exactly how I made this one, this rotisserie chicken recipe. So go ahead and follow it. As you can see how tender the chicken is on the inside. Very tender. I didn't stuff this one with anything at all. All I did was season this baby up really good and throw it in the oven, and look at that. Nice, tender, and beautiful all the way from the outside on the inside. And again, don't worry, I got you. Just go ahead and click on the link in the description and do the recipe. But I will put the ingredients for the gravy also in the description. So that's what it takes, y'all. Fast cooking, easy cooking, and still tastes good. Fast, easy, and simple, right? But still tastes fabulous all at the same time. Y'all, that is it. We are done here with today's recipe, and I hope that you did enjoy this one, y'all. But before I go, you know that I had to put it on a plate, okay? I did fry some plantains, cut up some tomato, and that was it, y'all. That was it. This recipe was fast, easy, and simple to make, and taste delicious and full of nothing but flavor. Tell a friend, bring them come good and send them come once again because I'm waiting. And when you get done doing that, tell me what I want to see me I cook next in my kitchen. And remember, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy.